Welcome to Skydax, the #1 hosting for Filipinos. We are an emerging company that offers competitive web hosting products at more than half the cost. We offer WordPress hosting, VPS, and domain hosting. Try Skydax. Switch, you'll love it here. Visit us on skydax.com.
Hello skydex.com and welcome back to the skydex.com tutorial. Today we will be discussing how to install a plugin. First of all, go ahead and log into your wordpress.com, your WordPress website. And here you're gonna see there are many things that you can do. The first thing is you want to install the plugin. Go ahead and click on plugins. You're gonna go to add new, and here you have an option to upload the plugin, or you can also search it here. One of the useful plugin that I would highly suggest is called Easy Theme and Plugin Upgrades. So whenever you install a plugin, it would automatically delete the old plugin and automatically use the newer one. What happens is a lot of times, like for this one, for instance, I have a lot of plugins here that I have to deactivate, and then I have to delete. So let's see an example would be, let's say Ocean Extra. I would have to deactivate, and then I delete, and then that would in order for me to upload a new plugin. So this is for manually. If you can't update it once you install it already, and you can, the plugin provider can let you update it automatically, and that's great. But sometimes you don't have that automatic update. You just want to do the manual, then you would want to click on add new, and you can upload the plugin. This would help you updates the plugin automatically without having to delete the old version of the same plugin. So for instance, I would download the plugin, and it's done. And then you can just go here, upload the plugin, choose the file right here, and just click install now. And that's how you installed a plugin into the WordPress website. Once you install it, go ahead and activate the plugin so that you can use it right away. Alright, and that's how you add a new plugin or install. Very simple. And then if you don't like it, you can just always deactivate it, and you can delete it. And once you delete it, just say that you are successfully deleted, and then you're done. Alright, thank you for choosing skydex.com, and we here hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Let us know if it's helpful, and if you need to have any tutorial, go ahead and put any comments or any questions in the chat, and we'll respond to you guys. Again, thank you for choosing Skydex, and you guys have a